Another thing to look at is as you are sketching, Inventor is doing a couple of things to kind of help you out. It's trying to reestablish or associate relationships between geometries. So we're going to talk about constraint inferencing. So as I'm moving around with this new sketch line that I'm making, it's trying to constrain it vertically or horizontally. Also, if I hover or touch, I'm not clicking, by the way, just touching on some of these other objects. When I move around, now it tries to establish relationships with those other objects. So there's a parallel. If I come back to this one, it can go perpendicular to that one. And as I move around, it's trying to rebuild and reestablish all of those relationships. You'll see those glyphs pop up every now and then. There's a coincident right there. There was another perpendicular, another parallel shows up. If you're doing this in a very busy sketch, that can kind of be a nuisance. So what you can do to temporarily turn it off, hold down the control key. As long as I have the control key held down, Inventor does not perform any constraint inferencing. Even if I hover on these objects, it does not try to establish any relationship between them, so long as I have that control key held down. As soon as I let go of it, inferencing comes back.